With campervans and motorhomes always a target for theft, anything that gives a little deterrent and peace of mind is worth considering. Our recent crime survey showed a high percentage of vans were stolen from home, so we wanted to be able to keep an eye, give a bit of deterrent, but most importantly get a warning if anyone was around the van when parked up. So adding a CCTV camera focused on its normal parking spot seemed a great idea, which is where the Anran fully wireless solar powered CCTV camera comes in. With no need for power cables or video cables, it should be a breeze to install. So stick with us while we check it out. Don't forget to check out our other videos on everything campervan and motorhome related, from solar to water, heating to gadgets, tyres to trips. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up, it really does help me to know what you like, and you can ask any questions or give feedback in the comments. If you want to make sure you don't miss any of our future videos, please hit the subscribe button, and clicking the bell will give you a notification when a new video goes live. Finally, if you do decide to hit the thumbs down, it would be great if you could also leave a comment so I know what you didn't like. There were 4 things we wanted with a CCTV camera. Simple to install, good quality picture, reliable motion detection, and local and cloud video storage options. The specs of the Anran tick all those boxes, so let's see if it lives up to all of them. Before we take a closer look at the camera, remember that just one layer of protection is going to have limited benefit to protect your van. Our video on multi-layer protection takes you through all the things you might want to consider to protect it. You'll find this linked at the end of the video. Anran very kindly sent us their C3 Pro model to try out, and at less than £50 it's very affordable and has specs that put it ahead of other more expensive cameras. Plus the fact it should be easy to install, that sounds like just what we wanted. Let's take a look at what you get. As well as the instructions and stickers and a charging lead, the camera has its integral solar panel and mounting bracket and template. Installing an SD card into the camera provides the local storage that we wanted. Then, after giving the camera an initial full charge via USB, we set it up, which was a super simple task that we were guided through by the Anran app, enabling us to get the camera connected to our Wi-Fi simply by showing a QR code generated by the app to the camera.
Please remove all film from the lens. Tap next to show a QR code, and let your device scan the code.
With a helpful guide on installation location and the ability to test the signal strength, we were ready to get it installed. And since there are no wires or cables to think about, it genuinely couldn't be more simple. Simply finding a suitable place to mount it, and then use the provided template to drill holes and then screw the mounting to the wall. Using the app, we could then align the camera to give us the view we wanted. Within the app, we could configure the various settings, sensitivity and actions to take on motion detection easily, and with additional features like two-way intercom, floodlight and siren, the camera is packed with features. You can set multiple customised detection areas to avoid false alarms, and with an added subscription you can even have AI features like human, vehicle, package or pet detection. As we mentioned earlier, we wanted to have the option of cloud storage so that even if the camera was damaged or stolen, we would still have the footage stored. For free, you get 6 seconds of cloud storage on each motion detection, which is pretty good. And if you want longer, you can subscribe for $3.99 a month. When it comes to picture quality at standard definition, it is okay, but a bit blurry when you come to look at detail. But set it to QHD and you can see the difference. Obviously you can view the live camera feed in the app, but as we have Alexa on our home TV, once paired we can also ask to see it on there. Show drive camera. The motion detection worked well when I tried it out, and we haven't had any false alarms. But to really put it to the test, with an incentive of 50p, if my Mini Ninja managed to get to it without triggering the camera, showed that it struggled with a smaller target. Only triggering when I moved into frame. So the following day we tried it with the sensitivity turned up full. Even then, with the smaller target, it still struggled to be triggered. So checking back on those installation advice on the app, we made some adjustments to the camera to see if that would make a difference. After slightly altering the angle the camera was pointing and resetting the detection zones, we found the motion detection to be spot on and continued to have no false alarms. So overall, what do we think? For a really simple to install, set up and use CCTV camera with great quality picture and motion detection that works without false alarms, primarily because of its combination of a passive infrared sensor and digital motion technology, it really seems to do exactly what we wanted. And the solar panel seems to have no problem with keeping it fully charged. Plus, it's also a really good price. Don't forget, if you're looking to add more protection to your van to help reduce the chance of theft, check out our video on multi-layered protection here. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.